Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys the best graphic design packs that you need to get, and most of these are for free. There's a few paid ones at the end, but yeah, the first three are going to be for free. So yeah, let's get into it. So the first pack is the bra pack. Personally, I like this pack. It's just got really nice assets that you guys should, use in your banners, headers, thumbnails, probably whatever, doesn't really matter. Now the gods pack, this is actually a legendary pack. I'm not even gonna lie, it has crazy assets and everything, man. I'm going to be using this pack a lot. I literally just found out about this a few days ago, and yeah, you guys should give it a little shot. Now the next pack is going to be a little bit bigger than the rest. It's called the balance pack, and it has like 300 layers of literally everything. So yeah, this is another one of my favorites. It's literally like the last one. Now onto the paid ones. It's gonna be 360 pack by Finn and Obscure, I'm pretty sure. I've been using this pack for like a year now, and it's a pretty good pack. So the next one I just copped like a week ago. It's like $15, some shit. It's called Exodus by Exando. It's a good pack for banners mainly. That's really what I've been using it for. And yeah, so I'm going to be linking all these packs down below in the description if you guys want to buy and download them. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you learned something new, or if I did help you out, which I probably did, put you on to some new packs, let me know. Comment down below your favorite pack out of this list. And yeah, peace.